First things first, I appreciate your support on LG washing machine. So I'll take you through on how to install a fully automatic washing machine. Before that, you need the following: source of power, it should be close to the machine, and then source of water and where it will drain. Having that, ensure the washing machine has all the pins required. This is the pipe, water inlet pipe. This is the manual. And then we have a spanner for removing the transit bolts. When you have all that, you need thread tapes. You also need a washing machine tap. You need a socket or a nipple just in case. And then a pipe wrench. So we'll open here. So before we do that, we have to locate the main water tap. This is the main water tap. Make sure it's off. Put on some gloves. You need gloves, eh? If not, you'll get such injuries. See? For not using gloves. Anyway, because the water is still coming out, so we close this. Show you. Because we don't want to flood the area, so we close this too. So this is the top. Should come here. So you're going to apply some thread tape here. So we'll put a curved socket here. To do that, we'll need a nipple to go in here, and then this will come here. So when installing the pipe, the curved side goes to the machine here, and then this one goes here. that. Oh, thank you. Now,
After you're finished, I'm asking the. Yes, that's true. It's the routine. Yes, you have to do it and mention to use it. Yeah, that's true.
kuambia sasa nanunua nini skani kwa nyumba.